Make a great choice today with the 2014 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, multifunction display, tachometer, power steering. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.